Hey everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be back. It's been a while since I filmed a video and I'm excited to do this video because this is a braided wig. This is my second time trying a braided wig and I absolutely love this one. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this hair tutorial, please continue to watch this video. All right, so let's get into this wig. The wig that I'm rocking, it's from Jaliza, and I have worn their wigs in the past. This is actually my second time trying one of their braided wigs, and I absolutely must say that I love their wigs. Now let's get into this packaging. So you have a wig cap, 2 wig caps, and you have your melting band, and also all the instructions and details on how to take care of your wigs with this 25% off card, and also a wig bag to store your wig. All right, so this is what the wig is looking like. I absolutely love this color. It is 613 mixed with a color 27, and it's HD lace, full lace wigs. Knots are bleach knots, so you don't have to do anything to it. And as you can see, the back is full lace. I absolutely love the lace on this because it melts flawlessly into the skin. Now we do have combs on the back of the wigs, which I use. I don't use the combs on the side because I don't like combs on the side, but again, there's adjustment straps on the back and there's one in the middle as well. So this is going to keep your wig super secure on your head. So these are the combs on the side, which I will be removing. So these are the boho braid wigs. Again, my second time trying them, and I just want you guys to see what it looks like straight out of the box. Now I do love the fact that you're able to customize your own braided wig, so you can just fill out the form on the website and submit a photo. Also, there is so many different options of wigs, like you can see the different colors of braided wigs and different braided style. I absolutely love the options that they have on the website. I definitely chose this one because I've never tried the blonde. Now I do like the fact that the roots are dark, so it looks more natural, I think, instead of blonde hair, because my roots are not blonde. So this is what the wig looks like from the back as well. Now I mentioned that this is the boho style, but it's actually called tree braids, and this is a classic that is trending right now. Still, I see so many people getting their braids done. Now for me, I don't want to sit there for hours getting my hair braided, and you guys know I like to change up my wigs pretty frequently, so I like to switch up my style. So I love the fact that this is super convenient for me because I can just rock braids today and then switch it up the next day. So I absolutely love that, and again, I don't have to sit there for hours. And personally, as much as I love braids, because I've gotten braids done in the past, my hairline literally cannot handle that because I feel like I always lose my edges whenever I get my hair braided. So I just stick to my wigs. Okay, so let's get into the roots of the wig. On the very top, it's kinky human hair roots in pre-bleach invisible lace knots, and the braids are tangleless human hair boho curls. So this wig you can also wet it for the curls to be more defined as well. And it's Burmese raw virgin hair as well, so it's super high quality, tangle free, and the wig is high density, 100 strands. Absolutely love it. So I love that it gives a scalp like finish. It looks super natural, and I'm so here for this color. They do have other styles as well, and like I said, you can get them custom made as well. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and just adjust the straps so that the wig will be fitting perfectly onto my head. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut off that extra lace at the back. It's kind of hard to do it while on camera, but I got it cut. I got my wig cap on, my ball cap. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the My Sticky Little Secret Skin Protector, and I apply it onto this. It was a makeup wipes, but use a cotton pad. I was out, but I used that makeup wipe. So now I'm gonna pop the wig on my head, and this is how she is looking. I know it's not quite there yet, but don't worry, we're gonna get it there. So I've done braided wigs before, and one thing I learned about braided wigs in the past is not to cut off the baby hairs. I did that the last time, and I kind of messed it up just a little bit. You can cut them shorter, but don't cut it off because then the hairline will look weird. So now I'm going to go in with My Sticky Little Secret lace glue, and I'm only going to use 2 layers of glue. You want to spread that out like butter. The glue dries super fast, and I'm using my rat tail comb. I do have a coupon code. It's Miss Rosh Bosh. So if you're interested in any of my products, you can click on the link down before for My Sticky Little Secret products. Now I just went in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, and I'm going to go ahead ahead and just pull that lace down, and I'm using some foundation just to tint the lace a bit so it matches my skin tone as well. And I go back in with my blow dryer on the cool setting. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, and as you can see, I'm kind of going jagged, so the baby hairs is out of the way. I'm trying my best not to cut any of them. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply some lace glue on the side as well. I did apply a bit too much lace glue on the side, but yeah, don't do that. So again, I'm going to go ahead and go in my blow dryer. Once it's dry clear, I'm going to go ahead and just put that lace down. Love the lace on this wig. It is HD lace. It's nice and thin. It blends in perfectly into the skin, nice and seamless. All right, so now I'm going to go in with that blow dryer and just melt down that lace once again, and then cut off the extra lace on the sides as well. Once I cut the lace off, okay, I'm so happy with how it looks so far, but I do have a bit more cut in, and I do have applied lace at the outer corner by the ear. So I applied some glue, and then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer on the cool setting, and the baby hairs are long, okay? But now we're going to go in with the melting spray. So I brushed the hair away from my face, and I'm going to go in with the melting spray. I apply it to the tip of my finger, and I go in with the rat tail comb, and I go in with my blow dryer. Now I'm going to go ahead and melt that down. So I'm putting on that melting band, and I'm going to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes and just let it sit and melt. And now I'm gonna remove that band, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting these baby hairs because I don't like them this long. If you are a baby hair girl, go ahead and leave them long if you want to, but I'm gonna go in with my it's like a flat iron. This is good for baby hairs. I think I got it on Amazon a while ago, but I don't remember the brand right now, but I will link it in the description bar down below. So I want to make them a little bit shorter. I'm not the best when it comes to styling baby hairs. I'll let you guys know that right now. And I added some mousse into the hair. I'm a side part girl, so I'm going to leave this as a side part. And then I'm going to add some more hair mousse onto the baby hairs just so they don't look so, frizzy and out of control. So yeah, this is pretty much how the hair is looking. And I'm so hair for this. So this is how it looks in a half up, half down ponytail. I wanted you guys to see that. So you can style it in a half up, half down. You can also put the whole thing into a bun as well, which I'm going to be attempting to do. Now I didn't do a very good job, but I just wanted you guys to see that. And I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like from the back. Now you can see my hair at the back, but I didn't really brush it in. But if you did brush it in, you wouldn't be able to see it. So I do like the fact that it does cover the back pretty well. And I do like the way that the wig fits on the head as well. Like it fits perfectly on my head. And yeah, this is pretty much a up close shot, just so you guys can see how the braids are looking. I really do love this style, the boho style braids. Absolutely love it. This is how it looks in the center part for the girls who love the center part, but again, it's optional. You can wear it however you want to. And I want to stand up so you guys can see how long this hair is. It is super long. She is giving inches. I believe this is 30 inches. So all the hair info will be listed in the description box down below, so you guys can check out Jaliza's hair. I do love their braided wigs. This is my second one, and I absolutely love this one. I think this one's my favorite one out of the two that I have. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Bye.